In front of me is XIAOMI 17T, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, you need to launch Devices Settings and scroll to choose this section called Personalization. In here you can tap on Fonts, and now either tap on one of those and go back if you like it. It will be automatically applied, or use those three dots on the right and download the best font style for you. You can buy one or look for a free one and click on it. Let's go with this one. Now click on this green button here, wait, and then tap on the same one that's now saying apply. Wait again, and go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, style of my font has changed again. If you ever want to access all of your font styles default or downloaded ones, what I like to do is go into Themes app and tap on My Account at the bottom right corner. Here you can tap on Fonts section and access all of them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!